Yesterday, we catched Monster Truck. He said that new arrived cars are hiding in old building near the coast. He showed the way. Hello, colleagues. Let's talk what we're gonna do now. We need to block two main roads to that building. Lucas, you will take the further one because you are faster than us, and we the near one. Okay, Copperfield, let's catch those two new arrived cars before they make any bad things. And I hope that all stolen candies will be found. Let's go.
Boss, I think Monster Truck will tell everything about us. Let's change our location.
I think so. But what about all that candies? We need to take them with us.
Listen, guys, we need to be very careful and very concentrated.
Vincent, I suppose you are right. Let's move before cops can find us. Oh no, they already here.
Don't move.
Let's go other side.
Oh no!
Don't move. You are encircled. Be quiet and put your keys down. You are under arrest.